Hi viewers, thanks for visiting my channel again. I just want to do some unboxing to this Vortex Venom 3 MOA red dot. So this one has a lifetime warranty. I just ordered it on eBay. I just get it yesterday, which is the date it's November 9, 2022. So let's crack this box. Let's see what's inside. This is my little daddy back. Let's go open it. They put it like very sealed, so it's safe for the unit too. So that's a good service for the seller. So this is the exactly back it look like. So Venom red dot includes Picatinny rail mount, 3 bright red setting MOA. So the model is BMD-3103. This close-up look. And this one is a waterproof, shockproof, armor tech, fully multi-coated, elimination levels, 14 hours auto shutdown, auto or manual brightness. So that's the 3 MOA red dot. So let's open this one. So you can see after you open the box, I show you. You can see to clean the lens. It says Vortex. Put that one in the side, and they have some hardware here. It says Glock MOS. I think you can use this one for Glock MOS, and it comes with the hex screws. And this is the very little tiny manual. It says there Vortex Optics USA. So that's the manual itself, how you adjust the windage, put the battery on or in, and put that one in the side. And this one is the Picatinny rail, and a battery. And this one is peel rubbery dust protected cover. So you can tell it's a nice, and you protect your red dot. And this one is some screws, another hardware. Just put the one there, and there's another hex screw here. And this is the combination of screw, the big one and the small one. And here's the final unit by itself. Put the one in the side. So that's the unit, the red dot. So this one is the battery door. The good thing, the access is on the top, not in the side, or some of the red dot is in the bottom. So every time you change the battery, you need to take it off, and if it is moved a little bit, you need to zero again or reset it again. So this one is the battery compartment, the door. So to open it, just follow the instructions right there. You can see it's counterclockwise. See right there, it's open. And then here's the elevation, and here's the windage. And when you try to adjust the elevation, you can follow the arrows for up and down. And when you, I show you, when you turn the screw, I don't feel any detent, but it's pretty smooth. And this one is made from the Philippines. So that's the originally that I came from, and that's the serial number. So let's put the battery in, and that's easy, the how the unbox it is. And I just want to put it to my Tx22 made from Taurus. Just try to put this one in here. So just hang out with me, and I'm gonna install it. Let's proceed for installation. So that's it look like. So I just grab the battery. It like they only cut this one is supposed to be 2, I think, but they only cut in 1 to make it 1. So they have only 1 pre-battery. Just put this one. So this one is side in the top. So this battery is I gonna show you, made in Indonesia. This one is a CR632 CR1, 3 volts. Then open the battery door. So make sure do this one very patient. Don't cross the thread, or else you're gonna broken up with you. So just make sure seal it nice, and let's do this one. So wait until that one is snug and stop it. So you can see I pour it nice. You can tell it's very aligned. So let's do to put this one in a pistol or to the weapon. So you can see that's the red dot. I just push firmly this arrow going up. So it's on. Put this one to off. Just press this arrow down firmly, and it's gonna be turned by itself, shut off. So let's click it. You're not gonna accidentally push this one, because you need to push it firmly. So you can see the light, it's up. So let's install this one to the weapon or firearm to my Tx22 Taurus. So to install to your weapon, you need to take up the magazine. So make sure it's clear, no ammo, and then put it in a safe direction and push the trigger or squeeze the trigger. So put this one back a little bit, then put this lever down and it's open. So just take this one up, put in the side, coil spring, take it up, the barrel, don't make sure don't drop it, put it in a safe place, and here, ready for installation. Let's find the right hardware to this one. And now I use this combination of a lot of number of hex. So I just take this one up, and I'm sorry I doing some review outside or video because it's a nice weather, and sometimes you heard some bark of the dog, like machine for garden. So let's do it. Just unscrew this one. This one is provided by the when I buy this plate. So let's check what it fits to this. Put this one on the side again. And if you can see, there's 4 hole on those 4 corners, and make sure align to this the one in the 2 pegs, and make sure it sit there properly. So it's set. So all I need to do is get the right screw of this one, and it's ready fit. So it's not gonna there's a little bit move front and back while you never put the screw in yet, but you see it's nice sit to the pistol or firearm. So you can tell this one is fit. So cross my finger, our finger, guys, that all those I have a hardware here around. Hopefully it fits to this hole here all the way here, so that I can tie it and put some thread lock. So here's the thread lock. So you're just gonna put that one soon. Just find the screw first. So finally I found the right screw. So this one is the short one with the flat head, not like before. I used the one is round. So let's try to sit this first before put some thread locker. So it sit good. So let's put this one permanently with the thread locker. So drop it both. So it's ready to sit, right? So I put some towel, white towel in the top so that you can see it good or well. So just put a little bit drop of the blue red dot thread locker. Make sure don't put the red, just use the blue, so that when you try to change your red dot, you can still put this one out. So just do vice versa to the other side. When you feel snug, stop it, and that's how you install the red dot. This Vortex Venom 3 MOA. So install the other right side. Now it's fully installed. So I give you a close-up look. So it sits nice. So that's for your windage, and the top is for your elevation. See, this one is a good plus for your rear. They have those two lines so that you can easy to see, put in the middle of that red dot to quick acquisition. Let's install this one to this slide for the pistol. So now it's properly installed. Pull out the dust cover. So now that's exactly how it look like. So that's the rear, that's the front, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm about to out. So that's how you install this red dot. The brand it's Vortex Venom. And have a wonderful day. I'm out. Thank you very much. This one is unboxing and how to install this red dot. Bye bye. I'm out. Peace.